Ever wondered how to make the viral chamoy pickle at home? This extraordinary creation has been making waves on TikTok and has left many intrigued. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of this unique snack, which is as flavorful as it is colorful. The chamoy pickle, a bright red treat infused with chamoy sauce, originates from Mexico, and its popularity has skyrocketed due to its unusual combination of ingredients. Stuffed with a variety of Mexican candies, spicy chips, and sour bites, then wrapped in a fruit roll-up, it's a feast for both the eyes and the palate. The bold flavors of sweet, sour, spicy, and salty dance together in a symphony of taste that's hard to resist. It's not just the taste that's garnered attention, but also the delightful crunch that follows each bite. This snack is a true conversation starter and a testament to culinary creativity. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare this intriguing pickle at home. To make the chamoy pickle, you will need some specific ingredients. First and foremost, you will need a juicy, crunchy pickle. The pickle is the base of this tantalizing treat, and the vessel for all the other flavors we'll be incorporating. Next, you will need chamoy sauce, a savory Mexican condiment that brings a unique tangy and spicy kick. Now let's talk about the filling. Mexican candy, spicy chips, and sour bites are the heart of this creation. Mexican candy adds a sweet and spicy twist, while the spicy chips provide an unexpected crunch. The sour bites, on the other hand, add an extra tang that will make your taste buds dance. Finally, you'll need a fruit roll-up. This will serve as the vibrant, edible wrapper that holds everything together. You can find all these ingredients in a local Mexican grocery store or online. With all these ingredients ready, you are set to start making your own chamoy pickle. Now that we have all the ingredients, it's time to dive into the preparation process. The first thing we're going to do is to cut the pickle. Not all the way through, mind you, but just enough to create a pocket for all those delicious fillings. Next, let's infuse our pickle with the chamoy sauce. This is what gives our pickle that unique, tangy flavor. Pour the chamoy sauce into the cut pickle, making sure it's well coated inside. Now we come to the fun part, stuffing our pickle. Start with your favorite Mexican candy, followed by the spicy chips. Make sure to pack them in tight. You want to get a bit of everything in each bite. Once you have your pickle stuffed, it's time to wrap it in a fruit roll-up. This adds a sweet counterpoint to the tangy and spicy flavors of the pickle and its stuffing. Wrap it around the pickle carefully, ensuring it's fully covered. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Take a bite. Hear that crunch? Taste the explosion of flavors? That's the magic of the chamoy pickle. And there you have it, your very own homemade chamoy pickle. It's a fun, flavorful journey to undertake, and the end result is definitely worth it. A mouth-watering creation that will leave you wanting more. So go on, give it a try. You might just find your new favorite snack. So, to recap, here's how you make the viral chamoy pickle at home. Start by infusing the pickle with bright red chamoy. Then, stuff it with Mexican candy, spicy chips, and sour bites. Wrap everything up in a fruit roll-up for that extra twist. It's a simple, yet exciting process. And the best part? You're crafting a sensation right in your own kitchen. Try making this viral chamoy pickle at home and join the TikTok sensation. Enjoy your chamoy pickle, and don't forget to share your experience with us.